dinners, although that would never happen here, right? Chelsea Piers, Tom Bernstein would never let that happen. I am the proud and happy chairman of the board of City Year New York. I've been on the board for 7 years. I've watched this organization develop. I've watched its leaders develop. I've watched Vitai grow into his role. And it has been a real pleasure. I've watched us grow from about 50 core members to over 230. And hopefully, in the next 5 years, we'll be as big as 750 core members. You're going to understand by the end of tonight both why I'm so happy to be on the board, why you should be so happy to support City Year, and all about the things that we do and who we are. So what are we and who are we? We are 230 plus 18 to 24-year-olds, myself excluded, who do full-time service in New York City Public Schools, acting as tutors, acting as mentors, acting as role models, with measurable and demonstrable results on the students that they serve. Tonight you're going to hear about our Whole School, Whole Child program in New York's most challenging elementary and middle schools. You'll hear about our partnership with the City of New York and its Department of Education. I think I saw Joel Klein here earlier. I'm not sure if he's still here, but he's a wonderful, wonderful friend to this organization. You'll hear from Mayor Bloomberg a little bit later as to what City of New York means to the Board of Education here and to the students in New York City Public Schools. You'll hear about our focus on the ABCs, attendance, behavior, and course performance of the students in our public schools. You'll hear about our ultimate goal, which is to reach 50% of the students who are at risk for not graduating from high school in New York. You'll hear from students, you'll hear from teachers, you'll hear from principals, and most importantly, you will hear from core members. There's going to be a little bit of singing, there's going to be a little bit of exercise, there's going to be a little bit of dancing, we're going to have a good time. Before I go any further, I'd like to take the opportunity to introduce my fellow board members who exemplify commitment to service, commitment to our schools, commitment to our students, and commitment to our core members. Who will always, always rise well above the ask that we make of them, and who help us really be who we are as an organization. So I'd like to ask everybody here who's a member of the board to stand, hopefully with your City Year jacket. Thank you enough for all that you do for this organization. In particular, I'd like to thank the co-chairs of tonight's event, the Dean of City Year, David Catholic, Regina Hitchery, who recently retired from Alcoa but has been so instrumental to the development of our board to tonight's event. So instrumental that we are forcing her to stay on the board, even though she's not at Alcoa anymore. Unfortunately, Regina couldn't be here tonight. She had a family emergency, but our thanks, we are incredibly, incredibly grateful to her. I'd also like to thank Alcoa for their 5-year partnership with City Year, to Klaus Heinfeld for his enormous enthusiasm and his great personal commitment to City Year, which you'll hear a little bit about later from Klaus himself. I'd, of course, like to thank Tom Bernstein for giving us access to this great building. I would not be out here without the support of my company, J.P. Morgan, who supports City Year all across the country, and in particular in New York. And what I'm really here to do, which is to introduce our 2 MCs, 2 outstanding members of our board. Before I do, I just want to acknowledge the extraordinary dedication and the powerful impact of every single core member who serves on the core of City of New York. They get paid virtually nothing. They usually work 12 hours a day. They usually work 6 days a week. And they always offer to do more. They always volunteer to be there for the next event. They always volunteer to be there for the next project. They always volunteer to be at schools that they serve in on weekends. We could not be more delighted, and we could not be more impressed than with the 230 people who serve on that court. They stand tall. They support each other. They turn around the lives of their students. They turn around the lives of the teachers and the principals of their schools. And they are relentless and persistent and joyful and just buckets of fun. I think they embody civic commitment, and they embody true spirit. They are my role models, and I hold them out as role models to everybody here tonight. I also hold them out as role models to my own children, who I'm delighted to say are here tonight. Dahlia and Lily, who you heard about before, who do regular service at City Year, and who I hope will join the Corps 10 years or so. Without more, I'd like to introduce the two MCs for tonight, two leaders who dedicated themselves to service, to our schools, and to our children. Philip Ellison and Nicole Hammond.